all the comments pouring in. Hi, 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 big hi. Wow, that was fast. मैंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि इतनी इतनी तेजी से मुझे कमेंट्स मिलने वाले हैं, बट वाओ, आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन इवन कैच अप at the speed at which the comments are pouring in. Hi. Let me try reading some names. It's actually so fast that I can't even read the names. Chandan, Cherry. Hello, guys. Hello, happy anniversary. Yes, of course. Why are we here? Because it's 2 years anniversary of Hello, and it's a really special occasion. Also for me, it's my first live on Hello, so it's again a memorable and a special live. This has been long due, and ever since I've gotten on the app, I've been waiting to use this feature. And I'm so happy that I have this evening. To be honest, it's only when I'm coming on these lives or I'm doing any kind of interaction am I actually getting ready and feeling like, feeling normal, because I'm so used to doing that for work. But इतने टाइम से हम सब घर पे हैं, ऑलमोस्ट 3 महीने हो गए हैं जब से लॉकडाउन अनाउंस हुआ है, तो तब से ज़्यादा कुछ हम कोई बाहर नहीं जाता, तो एवरीवन इज लिविंग इन द पजामाज. అందరికీ నమస్కారం, తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఇక్కడ నన్ను ఫాలో చేసేవారు తెలుగువారు చాలా ఉన్నారు. సో అందరికీ నమస్కారం. లిటరలీ నాకేమనిపిస్తుందంటే ఎన్ని రోజుల నుంచి నా యూనిట్తో నా సెట్లో ఉన్న ఫ్రెండ్స్తో ఎవరితో తెలుగులో మాట్లాడలేదు, ఆల్మోస్ట్ మర్చిపోతున్నానని అనిపిస్తుంది. సో అట్లీస్ట్ ఈ యాప్ ద్వారా, ఈ లైవ్ ద్వారా మీతో మాట్లాడతాను. దాంతో నేను కొంచెం అట్లీస్ట్ నాకు నా లాంగ్వేజ్ మళ్ళీ కొంచెం గుర్తు రావాలి. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఐ నో చాలా మంది తమిళ్ ఫ్యాన్స్ కూడా ఉన్నారు. ஸோ எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் அண்ட் ரொம்ப நன்றி இந்த லைவ்க்கு வந்ததுக்கு. அண்ட் எனக்கு ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்லணும், என்னன்னா என்னோட தமிழ் ஃபேன்ஸ் இருக்கலாம், தெலுங்கு ஃபேன்ஸ் இருக்கலாம், ஹிந்தி ஃபேன்ஸ் இருக்கலாம். Just want to thank everyone for being there for me always and genuinely supporting me through my career. It's been 15 years of just pure love that you guys have showered on me, and it means a lot, and it's very, very encouraging. And I take feedback from all my fans very, very seriously, and I really look forward to the feedback also. So I'm having a question which is asking me about Prabhas. So how was my experience working with Prabhas? He is the nicest person I have ever worked with. He is so dedicated. He works so hard and he's so humble. I don't think Prabhas ever realizes कि वो कितने बड़े स्टार हैं और उनको कितने लोग पसंद करते हैं. And it's really funny to see him react to when he gets like female fan following attention. It's the cutest reactions he has when he becomes all very shy and very sweet. I want to see more people. If there are, the comments are so fast, I literally cannot. Okay, someone's asking me हिंदी. यस ऑफ कोर्स. मैं अभी मुंबई में हूँ, मैं मुंबई में रहती हूँ. मुझे नहीं मालूम कितने लोग जानते हैं, बट एक्चुअली मैं मुंबई में पली बड़ी हूँ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स साउथ ने बहुत सारा प्यार दिया है, तो वो उससे मैं एंजॉय करती हूँ. एंड सो समवन्स आस्किंग मी माई एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विथ पवन कल्याण गारू. पवन कल्याण गारू इज़, he is such a charismatic actor. जब मैंने उनके साथ काम किया था, I was feeling scared. I was like, I'm going to be really intimidated on set. But उन्होंने मुझे इतना comfortable किया. ఆయనతో పనిచేసేటప్పుడు ఆయన నన్ను నిజంగా ఎంత కంఫర్టబుల్గా నాతో కమ్యూనికేట్ అయ్యారు, that I was really touched. And for me, that experience, cameraman గంగాతో రాంబాబు, ఇది నాకు చాలా ఇష్టమైన సినిమా. సో బికాజ్ అక్కడ పూరి గారితో వర్క్ చేయడానికి అవకాశం వచ్చింది. దట్ వాస్ వెరీ మెమరబుల్ ఫర్ మీ. and so yeah, that is a very very good memory on set with Pawan Kalyan garu and Puri garu. Someone even asked me to sing a song in Hindi. Should I do that? You know what, it's only in the bathroom that I sing. But what song can I sing? Chalo, till the end of the let me see some recommendations. Can you recommend me some songs that I could probably sing? Yes, I've been really fortunate to work with. I have a person commenting on working with the Mega family. It's really they're some of the most humble people I work with, and extremely talented, extremely hardworking. నేను ఆల్వేస్ చూసాను వాళ్ళ స్టార్డమ్ని ఎప్పుడూ లైట్గా తీసుకోరు. దే ఆల్వేస్ వర్క్ వెరీ వెరీ హార్డ్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ ఫిల్మ్. చరణ్ నుంచి చిరంజీవి గారు, పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారు అందరితో పనిచేసేటప్పుడు నిజంగా ఇట్ వాస్ ఎవ్రీ సింగిల్ టైమ్ ఇట్ వాస్ అ గ్రేట్ లెర్నింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. అండ్ దట్ ఫ్యామిలీ is a family I'm very close to, and I always love interacting with them. They treat me like family, so they mean a lot to me in my life and in my career. Hi. Yes, a lot of people are asking about Bahubali. For me, Bahubali will always be a very very memorable film because I have that's a film that really changed the way my career has been, and it got me a lot of acclaim, commercially, critically, in every way. And just right now I saw Dheeraj Babu asking me about Lakshmi, the character of Lakshmi from Saira. I am very happy that Saira came at this point of time in my career. ఎందుకంటే అలాంటి ఒక స్ట్రాంగ్ క్యారెక్టర్ ప్లే చేయడానికి అండ్ ఆల్సో చిరంజీవి గారితో స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయడానికి నాకు అంత ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కావాలి. లేకపోతే ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ ఐ కుడ్ హ్యావ్ స్టూడ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ చిరంజీవి గారు అండ్ డన్ దోస్ సీన్స్ బికాస్ ఈ సచ్ అ లెజెండరీ యాక్టర్. అండ్ నిజంగా ఆయన ఎప్పుడూ నన్ను చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. అండ్ దాట్ ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ సంథింగ్ దట్ really something that really helps me do my best. Yes, Nalu Swami sends me emojis of hearts. So yes, hearts. I'm holding the phone with one hand. So heart. Let's see. So for me, the lockdown when it had started, शुरुआत में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. बहुत वक्त बिताने मिल रहा था मॉम डैड के साथ, पेबल्स के साथ मेरे घर में. ही इज़ माई पपी. एंड बहुत सी कुकिंग की है इस बार. जितना मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि मुझे कुकिंग इतनी पसंद है. और मैं कभी भी अपने किचन में जाके मैंने देखा नहीं कि मेरे घर में चाय पत्ती किधर है, मेरे घर में मसाले कहाँ हैं, मुझे कभी नहीं मालूम हुआ करता था. बट इस बार लॉकडाउन में इतना वक्त बिताने के बाद मैं अपने किचन से पूरी तरह से वाकिफ़ हूँ. And yeah, I really enjoy cooking, I've realized, and I am a natural according to my mother. I cannot say about other people. Mom loves my cooking. So there is Dheeraj Babu again, who has mentioned people call me Milky Beauty, and I know it comes from fans loving me and showering their love on me. But I feel like being fair is no measure of beauty, and to be a beautiful person means a lot of things, and it has to be inside out. And I think our country is full of such beautiful people, and I don't think the color should ever matter. So yeah, that's something that I firmly believe in. So there's Dimpy Nitin, and he says my name please. Dimpy Nitin, आपका नाम ले लिया मैंने. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग नाम है, बहुत ही क्यूट नाम है. Let me see who else. You are my all-time favorite actress. That is so sweet. నిజంగా ఐ హ్యావ్ టు సే దిస్. మీరందరూ నన్ను ఇలా ప్రేమిస్తూ ఉంటే నాకు ఇంకా ఐ హ్యావ్ చాలా పెద్ద రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఉంది. చాలా మంచి సినిమాలు తీయాలి మీకోసం. There's Romeo and Juliet who says, I'm your big fan. ma'am, I am really really thankful, Romeo and Juliet, for all your love and always showering these sweet things for me. Yeah, I would have. Hi, Ashish. I could have shown you my lovely puppy, but he has gone down for, to like do his thing, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so he is not currently available. मुझे हेलो ऐप बिल्कुल बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर लिटरली मैं इतने सारे अलग अलग लोगों के साथ बात कर पाती हूँ. जो ऑडियंस हिंदी बात करती है, जो मेरी तेलुगु ऑडियंस है, तमिल ऑडियंस है. सो मेरे लिए ये ऐप एक्चुअली जब से मैंने ज्वाइन किया, आई फील लाइक मुझे ये मैं लोगों से अलग अलग भाषाओं में बात कर सकती हूँ. एंड it just makes me feel like so much more connected to so many different people. कोई पूछ रहा है, हाँ डिम्पी नितिन ही पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या बाहुबली 3 आएगी. नहीं, बाहुबली 3 नहीं आने वाली. राजमौली सर ऑलरेडी एक बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बना रहे हैं, RRR, एंड हम सभी उनके फिल्मों के लिए रुका करते हैं. उनकी फिल्म जब भी आती है थिएटर में तो हम एक्साइट होके वेट करते हैं ऑडियंस की तरफ. धीरज बाबू अगेन आस्क्ड मी व्हाट इज द सीक्रेट टू योर सक्सेस. अगर मैं अपनी बारे में बात बोलूँ तो आई फील लाइक जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी, आई वॉज 13 years old when I started working, and I was lucky to find my passion and be able to pursue it. मुझे उस रास्ते में मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी मिली, एंड इसी वजह से मैंने ऑफकोर्स बहुत सारा हार्डवर्क किया, बहुत मेहनत की, एंड वो सभी को करना पड़ता है. आप कोई भी काम करना चाहें, आपको उसमें हार्डवर्क तो करना ही पड़ेगा. लेकिन आई फील लाइक अपनी कॉलिंग हो, अपनी जो पैशन हो, उसको ढूंढना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड वंस यू फाइंड दैट, यू शुड वर्क एज हार्ड एज यू ह्यूमनली कैन एंड डू योर बेस्ट इन इट. आप कितनी भाषाएं बोल सकती हैं, किसी ने पूछा है मुझे. सो आई स्पीक इंग्लिश. मैं हिंदी बात कर सकती हूँ, तमिल बात कर सकती हूँ, तेलुगु बात कर सकती हूँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा सिंधी बात कर सकती हूँ. इनफैक्ट इस बार क्योंकि मैं लॉकडाउन के दौरान घर पे रही हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा, सो मम्मी डैडी से दोनों से सिंधी में ज़्यादा बात होती है, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू लर्न माई मदर टंग. हो, आई हैव टू टेल यू गाइज दिस वन थिंग. आई थिंक तेलुगु पीपल विल बी क्वाइट एक्साइटेड टू नो दिस, कि मैंने ना अपने घर में आवकाई पचड़ी बनाई. एंड आवकाई इज़ माई फेवरेट पिकल. मतलब నాకు మీరు ఎనీ డిఫరెంట్ కూరలు ఇచ్చినా, నాకు ఆవకాయ రైస్ ఇస్తే నేను అంతా వదిలేసి రైస్ ఆవకాయ తింటాను. నా మౌత్ వాటర్ అవుతుంది ఇది చెప్పేటప్పుడు. సో someone's asked me, which woman do you idolize? For me, definitely it's all started with my mom, and she has been a person who just has for me symbolized selfless love, and she's the one she's the reason I understand what selfless love is. And then there are so many women in my life, I think, who have been so instrumental. There is Billy, there is Nishka, there is Neeta auntie, there is Disha, there's Kinjal, there is my dearest bhabhi Kartika. She, ever since she's come to our family, it's been such a, I really look up to her, and she's someone I totally idolize. And she lives in the States and I live in India. So yeah, we're far away, but I really miss seeing my brother and my bhabhi. Okay. Fans. Yes, my loves, I am all here for you guys. How was my 15 years in the industry? Dheeraj Babu again asks. मुझे तो मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा है कि इतना वक्त हो गया. इनफैक्ट मुझे अभी लग रहा है कि मैं फिर से शुरुआत कर रही हूँ. एंड ये मेरे जहन में हमेशा रहता है कि मुझे अपने आप को रीइन्वेंट करते ही रहना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं अपने मरते दम तक एक्टिंग कर सकूँ. तो इसीलिए हर फिल्म के साथ कुछ नया करूँ. And yeah, I mean, I was working on a web show जिसके लॉकडाउन के पहले അതൊക്കെ ഒരു തമിഴ് വെബ് ഷോ அந்த வெப் ஷோவோட பேர் நவம்பர் ஸ்டோரி அண்ட் அது ஹாட்ஸ்டார்க்காக நாங்கள் பண்ணிருக்கோம். It was a lot of, I mean, we were really shooting very, very well, and it was a lot of fun being on set. Anna, in the lockdown, of course, the global situation of, coronavirus was the reason why everyone had to shut work. And but मैं सच्ची में बहुत रुक रही हूँ कब हम वापस काम पे जा पाएंगे. स्लोली चीज़ें खुल रही हैं, so it feels good. Thank you. Someone said that they love my style of acting, but hopefully I think it's just from the heart, whatever it is for you guys. So someone says best childhood memory. For me, my best childhood memory has to be, तो मैं जब स्कूल में थी, मेरे स्कूल में सबसे, आई थिंक दुनिया के सबसे अच्छे समोसे मिलते हैं. एंड आई थिंक इवन नाउ देयर समोसाज आर रियली फेमस. एंड मुझे सिर्फ ये याद है कि शॉर्ट ब्रेक में मैं बस रुका करती थी कि कब मुझे समोसे खाने का मौका मिले. एंड मैं भाग के जाती थी, बेल बजती थी और मैं भाग के जाती थी और मैं जाके 3 समोसे खाती थी, मतलब हर दिन. And of course, as now that I've grown older, I don't eat like that anymore. In fact, I can show you what I'm having right now for all. So I'm having I am drinking a beetroot juice right now, क्योंकि मैंने आज सुबह से वर्कआउट नहीं किया, बट ये लाइव के बाद मैं जाके वर्कआउट करने वाली हूँ. तो इस बीटरूट जूस में बीटरूट ऑफ कोर्स है, सेलरी है और फ्लैक्सीड पाउडर है. क्योंकि शुरुआत में जब लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ था तो मैंने बहुत सारा खा लिया, मैंने जो मन में आया खाया. एंड अब मैं थोड़ी शरीफ हो रही हूँ और आई एम जस्ट फॉलोइंग माई डाइट एंड आई एम बीइंग अ गुड गर्ल, बिकॉज मस्ती भी ज़रूरी है, बट देन इट्स गुड टू हैव अ रूटीन, बिकॉज वो वरना मस्ती भी इट बिकम्स लाइक एन ओवरडोज, यू डोंट एन्जॉय इट एनी मोर. My toughest role till date, definitely it would have to be, actually there are 2. One is Bahubali and one is Devi. Devi was very hard for me. Devi was in Tamil, Telugu. So Tamil mein Devi was Devi, and in Telugu it was Abhinetri, and in Hindi it was Tutak Tutiya. And yeah, that was a film that really took a toll on me in the sense that it was difficult. 2 किरदार थे, निभाने थे मुझे, तो वो दोनों किरदार में बैलेंस करना, और वो कितने अलग थे एक दूसरे से. सो ಬಟ್ ದೇವಿ எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஒரு பிடிச்ச படம். விஜய் சார் கூட ஒர்க் பண்ணுறது கூட ஐ ரியலி லவ் ஒர்க்கிங் வித் ஏஎல் விஜய் சார். அவங்களோட சென்சிபிலிட்டி எப்போவுமே பொண்ணுங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப கரெக்டாக, ரொம்ப ஒரு வெரி வெரி சென்சிபிள் போர்ட்ரேல் ஆஃப் விமன் ஆல்வேஸ் பை ஏஎல் விஜய் சார். ஸோ ஐ லவ் ஒர்க்கிங் வித் ஹிம். I'm trying to read more comments. Yes, आपको कुछ भी पूछना है मुझे मेरे लाइफ के बारे में, ये लॉकडाउन के बारे में, ये क्वारंटीन पीरियड के बारे में, आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. धीरज बाबू ने फिर से एक सवाल पूछा है अबाउट महेश बाबू गारू. फॉर मी वर्किंग विद महेश वॉज सो मच फन. एंड एक बार मैंने उनके साथ एक फिल्म की थी आगडू, उसके बाद आई वर्कड विथ हिम रिसेंटली ऑन अ सॉन्ग फॉर हिज फिल्म Sariler Ni Kevaru, and really working with him, it was like reconnecting after so long, and it was incredible. I really enjoyed myself. Name your new movie, madam, someone said. Sorry, मैं काफ़ी लोगों के I'm not able to take your names because बहुत स्पीड से जा रहे हैं कमेंट्स, तो मैं पढ़ नहीं पा रही. बट मेरी अगली फिल्म होगी सीटी मार, जो तेलुगु में है. इट्स with Gopi Chand and Sampath Nandi sir. ఇద్దరు తో పనిచేయడం అనేది it has been absolute dream, and అది కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. I think I'm sure once film shoots start again we will continue our shoot. ரொம்ப நன்றி ரோமியோ ஜூலியட், உங்களுக்கு என்னோட தமிழ் பிடிக்கும். அண்ட் நான் இன்னும் ஆக்சுவலி நிறைய தமிழ் நான் மறந்துடுறேன், ஏன்னா வீட்டில் உட்காந்து யார் கூட பேசுறது தெரியாது. அம்மா அப்பா தமிழ் பேச மாட்டாங்க. ஸோ செட்டில் தான் எனக்கு ஒரு தமிழ் பேசுகிற ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கிடைக்கும். ஸோ மை நெக்ஸ்ட் தமிழ் வென்ச்சர் இஸ் மை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிஜிட்டல் வென்ச்சர் as well, and for me never done a web show before, but the November story will be the next thing that you see of me in Tamil. I'm also doing a film with Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and that is something that I'm really really excited about. Working with him has been an extremely enriching experience, and बहुत ही अमेजिंग एक्टर हैं. उनके साथ स्क्रीन शेयर करना ही मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. Someone said, Balaji, hi Balaji, you mentioned that to do a full, out and out action film, and I think that's something that I would love to do. Like, I would love to do an all out action film, and I hope what you say comes true, and I hope I do it soon. I don't know Malayalam. Someone has asked if I know Malayalam. I really wish, but मैंने कभी भी मलयालम फिल्म में मैंने एक्टिंग नहीं की, इसलिए मुझे मलयालम नहीं आती. Okay, let me see. Hey, someone just said that I'm looking younger by the day. Thank you, Dhanu. मैं आपका comment पढ़ रही हूँ, Dhanu. Thank you so much. That's really sweet of you. उसका सीक्रेट ये है कि अगर आप घर का खाना और सरल खाना खाएं, वो आप दैट कीप्स यू फ्रेश. मैं ऑल्सो आई डोंट नो कितने लोग मेरे बारे में ये जानते हैं, बट मैं 2 साल पहले वीगन बन गई थी. फिर मैं अभी वेजिटेरियन हूँ. So yeah, that's something that maybe people don't know about me, and for people who don't know, I am a vegetarian, and this lifestyle change has really helped me get my my system like strong, and I feel a lot better being vegetarian. That's and it also comes from after having pebbles at home. I think the relationship with an animal made me realize that because I was non-vegetarian growing up, all my life I've been non-vegetarian, but it's been 2 years since I turned vegan and then now vegetarian. So yeah, tell about so Dheeraj Babu, thank you for all your questions. Dheeraj, your questions are very nice, and they're interesting. You're asking me why do I like to do special songs, and I've done this for a lot of my friends. I feel like it's so nice to do, and मुझे खुद songs बहुत पसंद है. I love song and dance. मुझे I think నన్ను ఫాలో చేసే వాళ్ళు అందరికి తెలుసు నాకు డాన్స్ ఎంత ఇష్టం. సో ఎప్పుడు ఒక స్పెషల్ సాంగ్ వచ్చినా ఆ డాన్స్ చూపించడానికి ఒక అవకాశం వస్తుంది, అండ్ చాలా నాకు మై గుడ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ హూఎవర్ ఐవ్ వర్క్ విత్ ఇన్ ద పాస్ట్ వాళ్ళతో మళ్ళీ పేర్ చేసి పర్ఫామ్ చేయడానికి అవకాశం వస్తుంది. సో ఐ లవ్ డూయింగ్ స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్, అండ్ ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ద హ్యాంగప్స్ దట్ people create around special songs. They're a lot of fun and they're very well shot. Shaurya was asking me what's my favorite, what's the music that is. So I'm quite, मुझे बॉलीवुड गाने बहुत पसंद हैं. मुझे पंजाबी गाने, बॉलीवुड गाने बहुत पसंद है. So I end up hearing, my album is mostly a lot of Bollywood songs. मन मर्जियाँ से एक गाना है दरिया, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. फिर देयर इज़ पति पत्नी और वो में है तू ही यार मेरा, मुझे वो गाना बहुत पसंद है. इन द रिसेंट इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स आई रियली लाइक, I like Shallow. That's my favorite English song that I've been listening to. शायद बहुत recent नहीं है, कुछ वक्त हो गया है, but for me, I mean, if I like a song, I'm someone who keeps hearing it over and over again. Yeah, I'm like, I put a song on loop and I think I overdo it. And then there's recently this one song which is called Sketchers, which is really funny. It's got very like funny lyrics. So I think I like that song because of the lyrics. Okay. My favorite Tamil movie. Oh, that's a difficult one.